Good morning, students. This is Math Session, 12th Standard, Chapter 1, Applications of Matrices and Determinants. In that, applications of matrices, consistency of system of non-homogeneous linear equations by rank method. Rank method is already we are learned. Here, now homogeneous linear equation. Non-homogeneous means in an equation, after that equal to sign, we will have some constant values. Let us see the consistency of system of linear equations by rank method. Here we are having one theorem, Ricci-Capelli theorem. The theorem says a system of linear equations written in the matrix form as Ax equal to B. Already we are learned A is a coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix, and B is the constant matrix. Is consistent if and only if the rank of the coefficient matrix, that is the rank of A, is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. Here already we are learned augmented means the combination of two matrices, that is A and B. That is row of A equal to row of augmented matrix A and B. I form a table to understand the Ricci-Capelli theorem for non-homogeneous linear equations. The theorem says row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix A and B. Then we will say that is consistent. The another possible condition is row of A not equal to row of A comma B. If it is equal, then we can say that is consistent. If it is consistent, there is three possible solutions. First one is unique solution. That unique solution is if the rank of A and rank of AB is equal to 3. If it is 2, the rank of A is equal to rank of AB is 2 means we will get infinitely many solutions and these solutions form a one parameter family. One parameter family means here we will get three solutions in that one is the variable and other two solutions are based on that variable. The third one is if the rank is 1, then we will get infinitely many solutions and this solution form a two parameter family. That is, for these three solutions we have two variables and another one solution is based on the two variables. Here, if the rank of A is not equal to rank of AB means we can directly write that is inconsistent and has no solution. Let us see the example sums for the Ricci-Capelli theorem solutions. See this first example, chapter 1, 29. Test for consistency of the following system of linear equations and if possible solve. They were given 4 equations. Here we are going to test the consistency, that is how to identify whether it is consistent or inconsistent. If it is possible, that is if it is consistent, the solve means to find the unknown solutions. Let us see the solution. Among these 4 equations, we are having number of unknowns as 3 numbers. That is here x, y and z are the unknown variables. The first step is convert the given equations into matrix form, that is Ax equal to B. Here A represents the coefficient matrix, X represents the variable matrix, B represents the constant values. See, in this last equation we are having plus 1 here. How to bring this one this side, that is minus 1, and how to use this. Then write the augmented matrix of A and B. That is A matrix then with B matrix, applying the Gauss elimination method. Here Gauss elimination method is nothing but how to bring the triangular form in the matrix, that is row echelon form, by using the row operations. In this row augmented matrix A and B, have to see first number as first row first element as non-zero element, then how to make the second row first element, third row first element, fourth row first element as 0 by using R1 in that first step. Next, how to change the other elements as 0. See, here they were multiplied by the minus sign. It is not necessary. If you are doing that means it's also correct. Next, you have to change the third row second element and fourth row second element as 0 by using here R2. Next, you have to change this fourth row last element as third element as 0 by using R3. Okay, by using the row operations, elementary operations, how to bring the triangular form of the matrix, that is the row echelon form. Then you have to calculate the rank of A matrix separately and rank of AB matrix separately. Here the rank of A matrix is 3. Here 3 non-zero rows. Rank of AB matrix is also 3. For that also we are having 3 non-zero rows. Okay, so here row of A is equal to row of A comma B, that is equal to 3. We are all studied in the tabular column. If that number rank is equal to 3 means we will get the unique solution. That is, I have to convert this equivalence matrix into equation form to get the solution. After solving that, we will get z equal to 4, y equal to 4 and x equal to minus 1. How to verify these answers? By substituting these values in any one of the given equations to get the answer. Here, the given system is consistent and the solution is unique. Let us see another example for Ritchie-Capelis theorem to test the consistency. See the example, chapter 1, 30th example. Test for consistency of the following system of linear equations and if possible solve. Here they were given 3 equations with 3 unknown variables. Here the variables are x, y and z. Here first you have to test the consistency. If it is consistency, then you have to solve. That is, you have to find the values of x, y and z. Let us see the solution. Here the number of unknowns is 3. Next you have to write the given equations in the matrix form. Ax equal to b. Here A equal to, this is the coefficient matrix, x is the variable matrix, b is the constant matrix. Next you have to apply the elementary row operations in the augmented matrix A and B. In that, first you have to make the first row first element as non-zero. Here they will make that as the 1 by interchanging this R2 and R1. Next you have to change this second row and third row first elements as 0 by using R1 in this step. Next, in this step, they will simplify this R2 row and R3 row by dividing it by minus 6 and minus 18. Then, now to change the third row second element as 0 to get the triangular form of matrix. Finally, we will get one equivalent solution. To find the rank of AB, how to count the number of non-zero rows in it. Here 2 non-zero rows, so rank of AB is 2. And for this rank of A, there also we are having two non-zero rows. There also 2 is the rank. Therefore, row of A is equal to row of A comma B is equal to 2, that is less than 3. Already we are known, if it is 2 means we have studied that is infinitely many solutions. See, from this equivalent matrix we have to find the equations. Okay, here 3 unknowns, we will get only 2 equations. For that we have to substitute any one of the variable as any variable, that is z equal to t, and we get y value and x value. Therefore, the solutions are x equal to 1 and y equal to this 3t minus 2 and z equal to 3. This only we are saying that as one parameter family of solution, because based on this one parameter, that is parameter means it changes its value, based on that we will get the x value and y values. Therefore, the given system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Next, we are going to see the example 31 in chapter 1. Test for consistency of the following system of linear equations. That is, here also we are going to test the consistency and if possible solve. That is, to find the unknown values. Here they were given 3 equations with 3 unknowns variables x, y and z. Let us see the solution. Here the number of unknowns is 3. The matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B. Here A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix, B is the constant matrix. That is, this plus 27 come this side minus 27. Here all that are X, Y, Z only. Okay. Next, we have to apply the elementary row operations for the augmented matrix A and B. Here, in that matrix, first row, first element is non-zero. Then you have to make the second row, first element and third row, first element as 0 by using R1. While changing these two as 0, all the other entries will become 0. So, we will get the triangular form in the first step itself. Okay. So, we have to find the rank of A and rank of AB. Here, for this AB matrix, here only one non-zero row. So, the rank of AB is 1. And for that A also, we are having only one non-zero row. So, row of A is equal to row of A comma B equal to 1. That is less than 1. In the table, we are studied if it is equal to 1 means it is 2 parameter family of solutions, isn't it? That is, in this equivalence matrix, how to convert the equations, we will get only one equations, remaining two are like this. That is, for 3 unknowns, we are having only one equation. So, how to take or substitute arbitrarily any two variables as any two arbitrary constants, that is variables, any two variables. Okay, so how to find the s value from that based on the this s value and t value. So the solution is x equal to minus 9 plus s minus t, y equal to s, z equal to t, where s and t are the parameters. That is two parameter family of solutions. Therefore, the given system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Let us see the example 32. Test the consistency of the following system of linear equations. Here, they were given 4 equations with 3 unknowns. Let us see the solution. Here, the number of unknowns is 3. Next, you have to write the matrix form of equations with A as coefficient matrix, S as variable matrix, B as the constant values matrix. Then you have to apply the elementary row operations in augmented matrix. That is, in first step, check first row, first element as non-zero. Then how to make the second row, third row and fourth row first element as 0 by using R1. After changing this, how to make the third row second element and fourth row second element as 0 by using R2. After changing this, see here, the number of zeros in this third row is greater than the number of zeros in the fourth row. So, I have to just interchange the rows to get the triangular form. That is, R3 is changed into R4 and R4 is changed into R3. Now, we will get the triangular form. Then you have to find the rank of A and AB. Here, see this. For that A matrix, we are having 3 number of non-zero rows and 1 zero row. So, the rank of A is 3. Then, rank of AB is all are the non-zero rows. So, rank of A, B is 4. 3 is not equal to 4. So, row of A is not equal to row of A, B. So, the given system of equations is inconsistent and has no solution. Next, we are going to see the example 34. Here, this kind of sums will be asked in your exams as 5 marks. So, listen carefully. Investigate for what values of lambda and mu the system of linear equation. There were given 3 equations with the variables lambda and mu also. That is, you have to find the system as no solution, unique solution or infinite number of solutions for what values of lambda and mu. How to keep it in mind, for no solution the rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. For unique solution, rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to 3. For infinite number of solutions, rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to either 2 or 1. That only have to keep it in mind. All the remaining steps are same, like the similar. Let us see the solution. Here, the number of unknowns is 3. First, you have to convert the matrix form equations with the coefficient matrix, variable matrix and constant matrix. Then you have to apply the elementary row operations in augmented matrix A and B. For that, first row, first element is non-zero. Next, you have to convert here the lambda and mu are in the R2 row. How to make this in the third row by interchanging R2 and R3. In the next step, how to change the second row first element and third row first element as 0 by using R1. Then how to change the third row second element as 0 by using R2. Okay, after getting this triangular form, we will get one equivalence matrix in terms of lambda and mu. For that no solution, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. That is, this value is 0 and this value is not equal to 0. This lambda minus 7 is equal to 0 means lambda value is 7. This mu minus 9 is not equal to 0 means mu value is not equal to 9. At that time, the row of A is 2, row of A, B is 3. That is, these two are not equal. Hence, the given system is inconsistent and no solution at lambda equal to 7 and mu not equal to 9. For that, next one, unique solution. Unique solution means both the ranks as 3. That is, either this value, this lambda minus 1 is not equal to 0 means rank of A is also 3 rank of a comma b is also 3. There is no need to consider about this mu minus 1. So for this lambda minus 7 is not equal to 0 means lambda value is not equal to 7. At that time both the ranks are 3. So we can say the given system is consistent and has a unique solution. So for that we have to consider the lambda value alone. For that infinite number of solution, here all the values become 0 to get the rank as 2. Okay, that is lambda minus 7 equal to 0 means lambda equal to 7. For this mu minus 9 equal to 0 means mu value is equal to 9. At that time rank of A is 2, rank of A comma B is also 2. Okay, if it is less than, that is here 3 unknown variables, so it is less than number of unknowns, hence the system is consistent and has infinite number of solutions. Thank you students.